If you want something said, ask a man. If you want something done, ask a woman. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. Anytime women come together with a collective intention, it's a powerful thing. Whether it's sitting down, making a quilt, in a kitchen, preparing a meal, in a club, reading the same book, or around the table playing cards, or planning a birthday party, when women come together with a collective intention, magic happens. Whatever women do, they must do twice as well as men to be thought of as good. Luckily, this is not difficult. The connections between and among women are the most feared, the most problematic, and the most potentially transforming force on the planet. Man does not control his own fate. The woman in his life do that for him. Women are the sustaining force of any society. They think of the children and the next generation chances. A woman is like a tea bag. You can't tell how strong she is until you put her in hot water. In too many instances, the march to globalization has also meant the marginalization of women and girls, and that must change. I thank you for your constant support at all times. You stood beside me like a rock. You have always been my inspiration. I am thankful to you for every single thing you have done for me. You are the best surprise of my life, my wife. I love you to the moon and back. My dear mom, my life is short. To thank you for your love and care, you have been the torch bearer in my life. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. I could not have asked for more. I am so thankful for each day of my life, my wife. You are the most beautiful creation of God. Without you, my existence is impossible. Thank you for always motivating and inspiring me. Everything you do for me makes a big difference in my life. With all my heart, I thank you for making my life better. Happy Women's Day to my life, my better half, my love, my wife. I wish you happiness, success, love, everything you deserve in this world because you are special. Women themselves have the right to live in dignity, in freedom from want and freedom from fear. On this International Women's Day, let us rededicate ourselves to making that a reality. Women have always been the strong ones of the world. You get a 10 for being most caring mother, most loving wife, most beautiful sister, and above all, most humble human being. I am so lucky and proud to have a sister like you. You have always got my back. You put me before you. Woman is the companion of man, gifted with equal mental capacity. Women are the largest untapped reservoir of talent in the world. Men and women should own the world as a mutual possession. A charming woman does not follow the crowd, she is herself. Empowering women is key to building a future